Hey guys, it's Christopher over at Funtown RV Corsicana. Right now we're going to do a walkthrough on the East to West Tandara 320 RL. Guys, at 320 RL, the RL stands for rear living. Let's take a look. All right guys, starting off first, we have our Rhino box right here. They went ahead and added this light. It's an awesome feature to have. Whether you're an experienced camper or this is your first fifth wheel, that's going to be a great feature. So if you're hooking up or unhooking at night, you have that light shining down on that hitch. As we move on to the outside of the camper, we're going to notice we're under our first of two awnings. These are going to be great. They collapse just like that, drain off any water that's needed. And then right here, we're going to have our first of two propane tanks. We have dual propane tanks. They are the 30-pound tanks right there. Right next there, we have our pass-through storage. Huge amount of storage right here, guys, but we also have that plug and cable hookup. So whether it's game day or you're just trying to watch a little TV at the campsite, we have you covered. Guys, as we continue on, right here, we're gonna have our steps. Super easy to go up. To secure it whenever we're going down the road, it's just that little blue latch right there. Door closes. You're always going to want to make sure that your door is all the way open whenever you are bringing down or putting up your steps. The reason is this little hook right here, we want to make sure we're protecting the screen. But whenever we get to our campsite, we unlock just like that, comes down, we adjust our legs each side to what height we need, and then we're able to get inside, have that fun, and get all prepped and ready. As we continue on, this is our second 12-volt awning. They both gonna have their lights outside, great, and we have the plugs right there. So again, whether it's game day or we just need some plugs, we have you covered. One thing that East to West went ahead and took care of for us, we have an LP Quick Connect right here, guys. So whether it's gonna be your outside griddle, your grill, or whatever, we're able to actually run off our propane tanks up front. All right, guys, as we continue on the backside, there's a few key features I want to point out. Right here, we're going to have our ladder. That's going to give you the pathway to the top for that walkable roof. But right next to that, up top, you're going to see it is pre-wired for if you're on rear camera. So that's going to be great for an experienced camper or if you're just now starting out. So whether you're backing up your camper and need to know how much room you have, or if you're going down the highway and need to eliminate those blind spots, Furion went ahead and got you covered. One of those amazing items that you can check out in our Camptown store is going to be this rack right here. It goes right into your receiver, so whether it's a cooler, generator, or grill, they're going to have you covered. All right, guys, we're on the off-door side. Right here, we're going to have our 50-amp power cord. So that's what's going to be included with the camper. So for any of those sewer hoses, water hoses, or any of those extra things that you're going to need on those camping trips, you can see one of our knowledgeable Camptown associates. But right under here, we're going to have our hookups for our black and gray tank, but they went ahead and put a light. So whether it's day or nighttime, we're able to go ahead and get you covered and we can hook up safely. All right, guys, we're going to have the water heater right here. And then as we move forward, this is going to be our wet bay. So our hose for our outside shower, our pull levers for our black and gray tank, they are color coordinated. Our hookups right here for our water, cable, and then hookup right there. Our battery disconnect is going to be in here, and of course our light controls. All right, guys, this is going to be our second propane tank. Those are those 30-pound tanks. But right here, I want you to notice this is our control panel for that 4-point leveling system. So as easy as hooking up to the truck, taking off, getting to our campsite, we'll raise those front two jacks up, move the truck out, and then hit that auto level and start the fun. All right, guys, we just took a look at the outside of the 320 RL. Make sure to like, follow, and share. Let's go take a look inside. All right, guys, now that we're inside, we have the dinette right here. The two chairs with the bench seat right there. Great feature to have. And then as we continue on into the living room, of course, we have our recliners right here, straight across from our electric fireplace. Guys, the electric fireplace is going to be huge. So whether you want the ambiance of a fire or you just want to be able to heat up the living room a little bit, you're able to do so. All right, guys, right here is going to be the extra sleeping room. Pull these off right here. And just like that, super simple, super easy. And then whenever it's time to put it back, super light, guys. I want you to know, easy, you could do it with your pinky. And we're back to new. All right, guys, here's what we were pointing out, that fireplace. So whether you want the ambiance, a little lighter, a little darker, and then you can change all the different settings, the amount of heat you're putting out, or if you're even putting out any heat. Right above that, we have our radio control right there, and our speakers on each side, and then our Jensen TV right above there. And of course, as always, plenty of storage. All right, guys, as we continue on into the kitchen, we're gonna have that 3-burner stove, the Magic Chef oven, and that humongous microwave right there, right across from our island. So very deep sink, able to fold that up so whether we're drying the dishes or you just need somewhere to store some stuff, we're able to do so. We have our fridge and freezer right here. Plenty of room. It's all about bringing those amenities from home on the go with you. But guys, just like bringing those amenities right here, we're gonna have our double door pantry. So the cool thing about these, just like that, if you don't need the shelf, or if we find a spot that we do want it, we'll put it right there, and we're good to go. Let's continue upstairs, guys. Right here, before we get upstairs, this is gonna be our control central. This is where we control all the fun. So whether it's our water heaters, doing gas or electric, our water pumps, our tank heaters, that's right, guys, this is gonna have a tank heater. So it's all about being able to use as much fun year round. Our slide controls and both of our awning controls right here. And then this is gonna be the control for our first AC. That's right, guys, I said first. There's gonna be 2 ACs in this unit. So let's continue on. We'll take a look at the bathroom. All right, guys, plenty of room in here, plenty of headspace, but wanted to show you the shower with the bench seat. We have the porcelain toilet, storage above and below the sink, plenty of room, and guys, it's a pass-through bathroom. All right, guys, there's a few key features I want to point out here. Right here is going to be your TV backer with hookups right above. We have that second AC controls on the wall, but we have this queen-size bed right here with that storage underneath. So smooth, so easy, easy to lift up. Plenty of storage room. All right, guys, we have the double door sliding closet right here. Plenty of hanging room. We actually have a washer and dryer hookup. So it's all about bringing those awesome amenities that you have at home on the go with you so you can keep having fun. All right, guys, we just took a look at the East to West Tandara 320RL. Guys, remember that 320RL stands for rear living. But make sure you like, follow, share, comment with any questions you may have. And remember, the fun starts here. I still don't like it. What do you think?
I'm just trying to think of how you'd wrap it up. Like, you have the washer and dryer hookup, and see if you wanted to, you could have washer and dryer so you can keep the fun going, I guess, longer.
It's all about bringing those amenities from home on the go.
I like it.
Keep the fun going. All right.
I like it.
East to West went ahead and made it simple. Well, I said that, and then we'll start right here. All right, guys, we have, of course, that. All right, right here. I want to do that again. This is way further down than I thought.
I saw you. It seemed like you kept going.
Yeah, I was like, shit. All right. I'll take a knee instead.
Gotcha.
Here. Just like that. I'll put that down. Then I'll open those. There's a washer and dryer connection on that side.
Cool.